Guess what November 13th is? World Kindness Day.
Want to up your kindness? Here are some COVID-friendly kindness ideas. Pay for someone's groceries or coffee.
Or pay for someone's meal at the table next to you. But here's the caveat. Leave before that person knows that you did that.
Anonymous. Donate gently used clothing or household items to those in need.
Donate old blankets, pillows, sheets to a local animal shelter. Write a great online review for a store or restaurant that you love. Compliment a colleague of yours to your boss.
Give someone your undivided attention. Put that phone away.
Unless you're watching 5 Minute Fridays. It's important. Sending a gift or flowers is always kind. But if you want to be on trend, give the gift of a mask. Be on time.
So Vanessa is very good at being on time. Me, not so much. But just like J-Lo said on Ellen one day, she said, I'm late, but I'm not late enough that I ruin things. That's me. I need to work on
You
that.
are like J-Lo a little bit.
A little bit.
She's got perfect skin.
No, stop. Call your mom, dad, or loved one.
Just to say, I love you.
Leave a love note or a note of encouragement on the bathroom mirror for someone in your family. This bathroom needs to be cleaned.
An even kinder gesture, clean the bathroom.
Exactly.
Learn CPR. You never know when you need to bust that out.
How is learning CPR an act
To
of
save
kindness?
someone's life?
Show your mail carrier how much you appreciate all they do and write them a nice card and stick it in the mailbox for them. Oh, there's mail. Boom.
Exciting. Another great person to send appreciation to, if you know anyone who works as a first responder or in the medical industry. You best believe all her doctors, I'm gonna go in when this is all over and give them a big kiss. That sounded weird.
Yeah, that's okay though.
Go and buy a car meter, add some money in for them.
Send someone or post a motivational quote. Write positive, encouraging messages with sidewalk chalk for your neighbors to see.
What are you gonna make?
I'll probably just draw a picture. Like
Of
a nice,
what?
Like a palm tree.
Oh, I'm gonna write, have a great day. That's always nice. You can't go wrong with that. Be kind to yourself. If you're not kind to yourself, you're not gonna be kind to others. There's another word for that.
Secretive.
Like you know where you give,
Anonymously.
but you don't want anything in return. Like you don't need the gratification back. Like there's a word.
Thanks for taking 5 with us this Friday.
Time to live your best life.
One Friday at a time.